Hi guys, welcome to the YouTube channel, The Novel Trading. This is Goel, your financial trader and trainer. Today we are going to discuss a very important topic about how to know the direction of the day using the volume concept. So let's say I'm an intraday trader and I'm trading on 5 minutes. But if by chance, if I'm able to know the direction of the price, let's say if it will going upward or downward for the day, before the day happens, won't it be a surprise? Yes. So what are we going to do today? We are going to discover a very important secret about how to know the intraday direction of the price, okay, before even the day happens. Okay, so I'm going to tell you about the logic and I'll backtest it for at least 10 days. So please like the video and stay till the end to know the effect of the setup. Okay, so let's say you have started trading from this day. Your day has just started. You want to know in advance if this movement can be actually expected towards the downside. Okay, so what you can do is over here, look at the previous day. So let's say I'm trading in this day on 17th November, but I'll be going to look the previous day chart. I'll be marking the day high and the day low. If you look over here, this is my daily high. Okay, this is my daily high over here. Okay, this was a previous day highest, and you have to mark the low. So this is my previous day low. Okay, so on all the price action is between this. So what you can do, you can mark a line, trend line from this high to this low of the previous day. Okay, so this gives you a reference or range from where the price can be. Because see, when the price in the next day, what is going to happen? Either the price is going to target mostly the previous day high or the previous day low. Okay, this is something which can happen. So in Asian range, price starts correcting itself towards the upside. So what we are going to do, we are going to understand with the help of the volume concept. So while marking this day high and day low, what you're going to do, you will find the highest volume. Like for the example, this candle. You are going to see that this is the highest volume candle in the preceding day from this day high to this day low. We are going to mark the range of the high and low of this candlestick pattern. Okay, so what we'll do, we are going to mark the from the high and low of this candle. So this is the low, right? So we are going to mark this candle and we are going to extend it to the next day. We are going to extend it to the next day. What you will see mostly is that price, if the price is below this level, you will be seeing a major movement towards an upside. Okay, and if the price trails towards the upside, let's say if sustains towards the upside, then we are going to see a very volatile movement towards the upside. So this is a very simple concept with which you can use and find out the next day's direction. So let's continue to the next day. What you can do the same thing. So we'll mark this as a green signal. Okay, we will mark this as a green box since this has actually told us the direction. So day one, we were able to know. Now what we are going to do for the next day's direction, we are going to again mark the daily high and the low of the previous day. So if you look over here, this is the daily high of over here. So we are actually checking it out on the Australian dollar. You can use it on any commodity or you can use it any forex pair, and you will be marking the basically daily low. So you can do what? You can mark the daily low over here. You can put up a trend line, okay, from the high to low. So this is the previous high and this is the lowest candle which has been formed. Now in this total scenario, what you're going to do, you're going to find the highest volume candle from this high to this low, which I can see as this one candle. Okay, this is the highest volume candle. What I'm going to do of this highest volume candle, I'm going to mark the high and low of the price candle. Okay, and then I will stretch it to the next day. I'll stretch it to the next day. So what I can see over here, the price was above this level. Okay, the price was above this level. So it was sustaining towards the above side and it was making higher highs and higher lows. Okay, it is making higher highs and higher lows like this. And price even tried to do what? Price first tried to test it, but still sustained towards the upside. It was not able to close below this level. Okay, if you look over there, the price was not able to close below this level properly. So still the day was basically towards the upside trade. So this is how we can know the direction of the next day. So I can mark this as a green day as well, because the price told us that the price is sustaining above this volume box. So the price will be heading towards the upside for the whole day. So let's look out for the next day. What you will do the same thing. You will mark the daily high, okay, daily high and the daily low. So let's say this is the low of the candle, right? So this is your daily high and daily low, and you're going to find out what? You're going to find out the highest volume candle between this high and low. So I'm going to mark a trend line in front of you so that you can understand this concept very simply. Okay, now you have to observe the highest volume candle like this. Okay, so this is the highest volume candle which you can find over here. You will mark this candle, you will put up a box over here, and you will stretch it to the next day. What you can see that the price in the Asian session started going upside, but took a resistance from this level. It was not able to go above this level. Okay, so we are expecting what we are expecting a basically bearish day on the next day. And that's what you can see in the same trend. Okay, so that's what the same you can see that the price stayed in the lower lows and lower highs for the whole day. And if you're an intraday trader, this is a magical secret for you guys. This is a magical secret. I'm telling you, this works every day. Some days it will be a consolidation one, but if you look at the the backtesting and the results, and you can backtest it for 100 of time and you can see for the results for yourself. So 3 days exactly the price told us where the price is trying to go. So let's go on to the next day. Now in this day, what you can see that the range of the price is high, but still the daily high is this level and the daily low is at this level. Okay, the daily low is at this level. So what are you going to do? We are going to mark a trend line from this high to this low, and we are going to search for the highest volume candle between these. So can you see this is the highest volume candle, right? This is the highest volume candle in all from the high to low. So what are we going to do? We are going to put up a box on this candle like this, and we are going to mark this from the high to low. Okay, like this, and we are going to stretch the candle towards the next day. So what you can see over here, the price was actually trying to, in the Asian session, the price was trying to basically break out this area, but you can see that the price was never able to go towards upside and showed a good bearish momentum from the list. And then what happened? The price corrected all the liquidity of the sellers and it started moving towards upside. After the breakout, what you can see after the breakout only the price started moving towards the upside, and you can see a good bullish momentum, and even price took the same support from this level as well. Okay, so once the price goes above this level, then you can expect a good momentum towards the basically bullish side. If the price is trading towards the downside only, then we can expect a good momentum towards the downside. Okay, but you can apply your price action logics as well so that you can understand the strategy very well. But hope so, if you will look over here from last 1, 2, 3, 4 days, it is giving us good results. Let's look at the next day. What we are going to do, we are going to do the same thing. If you will, what you will do, you will mark the day's low. So this is your daily low. Okay, these blue lines will give you the session break so that you can understand when the day is closing in. Okay, so this is the lowest support, and you can see that this is my highest resistance, which was produced at this day. Okay, so what are we going to do? We are going to mark a trend line from this low to this premium high, and from this leg only. Okay, because this was the impulsive leg for the last day. So what are we going to do? We are going to find the highest volume candle, which is over here. Okay, so I'm going to stretch it a little bit back, and now what you can see that this is my highest volume candle. So what I'm going to do? I'm going to mark this candle from high to low. Okay, this high to low I'm going to mark, and I'm going to stretch it for the next day. And if you will see, the same thing happened. The same magical thing happened that the price took a support from this level but sustained towards the upside. And that's why what you can see is a highly volatile bullish momentum. Okay, so now you're getting a point how we can actually analyze the volume and the price, and you'll be able to know which side the price is going to go for the next day. So for the next day, we are going to do the same. We are going to mark the support and resistance at the daily high and low. So this was my daily low. Okay, so I'll mark this as a daily low, and I'll mark the daily high, which is at this level. Okay, so price is a very, very big range, but still what you can see the price, what I'll do, I'll make a trend line from this level to this level, and I will find the highest volume candle. If you look over here at this range, there are two high volume candles. One is over here, one is over here. And if you want to compare, what you can do, you can put up your cursor over here. Okay, so let's say hypothetically, I am marking or assuming this is the highest volume candle. What you can see is that there's the same level. Okay, this volume has given a breakout. So what I'll do, I'll mark this candle as my major zone. Okay, I'll mark this candle as a major zone. So I'll be booking high and low of this candle. And then next day, I'm going to expect what? Since the price is above of this zone, you can expect a bullish momentum continue. So that's what happened. Price made a higher highs and higher lows. Price took a support at this zone again, and then move towards the upside. So you can see the consistency of the price that is being given by the volume concept over here. Okay, so if you're using this volume concept, please be consistent about it and don't worry, have a little bit faith about it, because this concept has actually given me good results in a very, very long term. Okay, and this is happening every day analysis. You can continue it for the next day and next day, and you will find the same approach again and again. Okay, this is how you have to do. You have to mark your major lows and highs of the day, and then you have to find the highest volume candle. Based on that, you will make your box and you can see the total trend of the price. Okay, so what's the price doing for that day? Either the next day price will be bullish or the next day price will be bearish. I hope this concept is very much clear to you guys. If you have any questions regarding the same, you can put your questions in the comment section. And this is my number. This is my WhatsApp number. If you want to learn in deep, you can always contact me on this WhatsApp number. See you guys in the next video. Till then, good luck to you traders.